what's up you guys? It's me, Love K Ray. I'm sorry I haven't posted in a while. I'm really bad at posting videos. I'm sorry. I'm gonna try to be better, okay? But today, I'm gonna do a little vlog thing of me unboxing as I retie the ribbon on the thing. Unbox my Gucci slides. Specifically, I got the striped sandal slide. I don't know. Oh, this is so hard. Whatever. Okay. So basically, I looked on Bloomingdale's and Neiman Marcus and all of those websites, tried ordering Gucci slides, and even when I ordered them, it sent me an email saying, we're sorry, but this is back ordered until November. And I was like, in November, I'm not going to want these Gucci slides anymore. In November, the summer is over. So what is the point of getting them in November? So I canceled those orders. And then I was in the mall, and then I walked by the Gucci store, and I was like, maybe I should treat myself and go into the bougie store. Oh my god, that's embarrassing. Into the bougie Gucci store. So I go in the Gucci store, and the only women's slides that they had were the really expensive ones, like with the diamonds on them that are like over $1,000. And like, I'm not gonna do that. I don't have that kind of money. I don't even have the kind of money to buy Gucci in general, but I did. So this is why people are in debt, and this is why people are stupid and living on the streets, because they buy things that they can't, then they shouldn't buy. But whatever, I treated myself. So let's just get over it. So, and then I went to the one in the mall. They only had like pink and orange, and I didn't really like the colors that they had, and I really wanted these striped sandals. And so they had them in the men's size, and I tried them on, but the band, like what wraps around your foot, was really big, and there was like a big gap between my foot and them, and my foot kept sliding in. So I didn't get those. So I went on Gucci.com, and I prayed that the woman's version would be different sizing, like my foot wouldn't slide through, and they just got here today. And I had to sign for it for delivery because, you know, no one wants to be stealing it. So then this is how they came. Okay. I opened them already, so I'm sorry. This is not a really official unboxing. This is kind of like a vlog unboxing. But anyway, comes with this cute, it comes in a cardboard box, obviously. That even says Gucci, but I threw that away because, like, why do I want that? I don't want cockroaches from Gucci. Ooh, Gucci cockroaches. That's like the new line or whatever. Fall 2018 Gucci cockroaches. Anyway, let's just get it over with. You know, I could wear that, like, ooh, I could like do a choker. I could like resell this for like $50 and like get back some of the money that I spent on these. Anyway, so here we go. It's a box. Wow, it's a box. Congrats. It's just like any other box. And you open it up. Unboxing from a non-unboxer. An unboxer. Anyway, so it comes with like, alright, the sunlight just messes everything up. It comes with this like envelope thing, and I'm sure it's just like a certificate of authenticity or something. No, this is just like, this footwear has been realized using colored plastic materials. The first blah 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 blah. Stupid thing. And then this is probably my receipt in an envelope. And then it says, thank you for shopping with us at Gucci, blah, 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 blah. And then we open it up. Oh my god. And here they are. They're beautiful. So, I've worn them for like a little bit, but I didn't like go outside yet in them, and I didn't take the tags off yet, obviously. But I'm gonna, and oh my god, it smells good. It just smells like rubber, but I actually put them on, and they're actually pretty comfortable, but like, I heard that I'm gonna get blisters, like people say, like the rubber rubs against, so like, I wouldn't wear these if I'm going on a long walk. Like, I would just wear these if I'm not doing much activity. But I really like these kind. I like how they're like unisex. I don't know. They're just like cool. Like, they're like just chill, you know? And I don't really know what I'm supposed to do with what else I'm supposed to say. Like, they're probably not worth $300 and something. I don't remember how much they were. Let me look real quick. They're probably not worth $290 plus tax, $21, so $311. But I just wanted Gucci slides, and I wanted to test it out myself and see what all the hype swag Gucci gang is about. So, thank you for watching. See you later.